and then just run like the clappers. Do you like my race strategy? Yes, run like the clappers. Woo! G'day Grooners and welcome to Waltham Abbey! Oh yes, with an intro like this, it can only mean one thing. That's right, it's race day. Let's go. Oh yes guys, I'm here, race day, Waltham Abbey, in case you didn't hear me correctly, Lee Valley Country Park, which was the centre in 2012 of the Whitewater Centre. And I don't know how blow it is. I've got some new coverings on the camera to try and reduce the wind impact, but it's damn windy and cold here. Oh man, anyway, I'm off to pick up my bib, so let's get this bib. 10k today, yeah. Ooh, got me bib number, that was quick, number 487. Yes, got the bib number. It's so damn cold, I've got to fill out this COVID form, so I'm going to get in the van and fill it on my phone because it's freezing out here. Ooh. Back in the warmth of my van. So yes, I've got a form to fill out, track and trace COVID races type thing. Here we are, and I'm going to turn it towards the event type village. So you got the start over there. There's the bib pickups. There's the 5k race people parking. And the 10k race people are all along here behind me, along the side. Well, whilst it's only a 10k for me, used to doing marathons, I think I've come a bit unprepared for this. I wasn't expecting it to be so windy and so cold. I've got no gloves. And I don't know whether to run with the long sleeve. I probably will run with this long sleeve, but hey, I'll make a last minute decision once I've been to the toilet again. Oh, toilet trip done. So I'm here at the finish, so I'm gonna have a little warm up now. Let's get the old muscles going. God, I feel absolutely freezing. Oh jeez. I think, yeah, long sleeves all the way, put the bib over the top, and then just run like the clappers. Do you like my race strategy? Yes, run like the clappers. Woo! So I've just come to the main path where it says Fisher's Green up that way, Waltham Abbey that way, Gunpowder Park that way. Anyway, this is the River Lee. Hence the name Lee Valley Park. So this goes all the way down to, would you believe, the London Olympic Stadium. And I'm just going to carry on with my warm-up here, because I think if I keep stopping I'm going to get a bit cold. Well, having had a bit of a warm-up around here, I am beginning to warm up, and speaking with some of the marshals, I think I'm going to go with vest and shorts and just go gung-ho. Yes, because it seems quite sheltered in some areas, but then you get exposed and then the wind really goes right in your face. But hey, that's running. Well, whilst I'm doing my bunny hops, I'm feeling a bit of tightness in one of my glutes. I hope that doesn't give me any jip during a race. Anyway, let's warm it up. Okay, so I'm all bibbed up now, ready to go. Yep, this is it. So the next you'll see of me is probably when I've finished. As I say, this leg's feeling really tight, and I just got to see how it feels as I go out. If I can push it, great. If not, I'm just going to have to take it easy. But these things happen. Let's go. Woo.
Right then guys, look, and he's your starter. Right, okay, so go 105. You go stand at the front here. Here. Right.
Woo. And the next wave, come on, let's go. Woohoo! Yeah baby, done it. I don't know what the official time is. I was so pleased to run that time, sub 40. Absolutely chuffed with that. So yeah, considering the wind and my glutes hurting, and to be honest, after about 5-6k I felt like I was going to throw up, because you know, may have noticed some of the runners who were passing me, I was trying to keep up with them, pick up their pace, but really happy with that. So I'm going to get back in the van and warm up and then do a cool down run. So yes, see you shortly. So yes, cool down run now along the well, this looks like a canal here, and whew, I didn't realise how blowy it was. So I checked my time. It's not a PB, but not shy from it. But considering all things considered, you know, feeling really tight, feeling wanted to throw up when I was picking up the pace. So, but I'm super happy with that time. It is a sub 40, which is not bad, you know, hey, considering my age. So I'm really happy with that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna cool down the legs and then head back. So that's me done, guys, at today's 10k run at Lee Valley Whitewater Centre, Lee Valley Country Park. Absolutely loved it. Yes, it was one of those races where I done as best I could, and I'm super happy with the time. Sometimes we're quite harsh on ourselves, aren't we, in terms of expectations, what we want to do, but all things considered, I am absolutely over the moon with this race, and the organisation and everything was absolutely brilliant. As you will see that I've attached the GoPro to my chest, so you will see the full race. I hope that it's come out. Absolutely brilliant organisation, all socially distanced, no issues at all. Absolutely brilliant, and I'm so looking forward to next week's training race. Yeah, that's right, you heard it, there's going to be more. Thank you all so much for watching. I very much look forward to seeing you at the next video. If you did enjoy this in some way, thumbs up, subscribe. See you soon, guys.